morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope your day has been positive and productive thus far. But today I'm coming to you with the DIY revamp. Now for this DIY revamp, because I'm going to glam up some lampshades. What you're going to need is your lampshades of your choice, your glue gun, your glue stick. A portion of this video is actually sponsored by bbcraftcom. Now, bbcraftcom is an online website that specializes in crafting supplies. They do jewelry supplies. They have some fabrics. They have your tools for jewelry making. Please go over and check out bbcraft's website link. I'm dropping their website link in my description box along with the item description code that I am using. Now, what I am using for bbcraft.com is that Rhinestone hot fix. Look at the spark and the shine. And what I'm going to do is, and I'm just taking my lampshade and I just want to dress up the bottom. You're going to need your glue gun, your glue sticks, and your scissors for this. We're going to take out a couple pieces of glue. What we're going to do is we're going to glue the hot fix and then trim that lampshade out. All I'm doing first is I'm just going to trim that hot fix along the edges and lay it down. And it really doesn't matter where you start. I just know wherever I start, normally my starting point is my back. But with the hot fix right here, that's not going to matter, because once I bump it up to each other, you won't be able to see it. And that's what it's looking like starting. Now what I did was I laid my lampshade sideways so you can actually see how I am working with this hot fix. And all I'm doing is just going along. And just layering in my hot glue. And once I do that, and I'm making sure that I'm getting that glue on that hot fix right by that bottom rim. And again, she is looking like that. And I just wanted a pop, just a pop of glam on that lampshade. And I'm just adding it on. Now, if you don't want to use the hot glue, you can actually use your fabric glue to work with this as well. See that? Isn't she coming together quickly? Now with the hot fix, you do not want to pull this too much. I'm going to show you what I just done. Pulling it with the hot glue. But I'm going to go back and fix that. See that right there? That gap I created. And that's what's pulling it with the hot fix. You don't want to pull it, especially using the glue, too much. And I'm going to fix it on the end. You want to just slightly pull slightly. And we're still looking like that. And after I do this next piece, I'm going to come off camera and I'm going to do both lampshades and we'll be back. And I'm actually going to repair it on camera as well, so I can let you see that if you make this mistake, if you try this, how to actually fix it. All right, now so far we have all of that. All right, everyone, we are back and my Glam lampshades are finished and it looks like that. And that's lampshade number 1. Here's lampshade number 2. Now I've already fixed that piece that had the gap in, and all I did was cut a little piece, lay it in there and just fix it in. But look at that. You know your girl cannot close out anything without always letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make the next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.